Hello everyone! In this video, I will show you how to make kimchi. It's easy to make kimchi. Anyone can make kimchi. Let's go. Now, Korean chili powder. It should be 2 tablespoons for 1 kilogram of cabbage. So if you have more cabbage, you need more Korean chili powder. And garlic. We need 4 to 5 cloves of garlic for 1 kilogram of cabbage. We're gonna wait for 3 days. Look at this. I will see you guys next time. Bye! Isn't this beautiful? It's fermented. It's ready to eat. I was just showing you guys. It was just half of the cabbage. Here's the rest of it. Okay, look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Beautiful, right? Let's take a spoonful of it and put it in your mouth. You will love it. The more you chew it, the better it tastes. Trust me. So delicious. You can put it in your ramen. You can put it in your rice. You can eat it just as it is. It's so delicious. I love it. 3 days later, we'll see each other again. I'll show you the result. Can't wait to show you guys. 3 days later. But if you like the taste of garlic, you can put more garlic in it. And plum extract. It's optional to put plum extract. If you don't like the taste of plum, you don't have to put it. And salt. We need ½ cup of salt. And sugar. We need 3 tablespoons of sugar for 1 kilogram of cabbage. And we need Korean chili powder, 2 tablespoons, and plum extract. If you use, it's 1 tablespoon. ½ cup of salt, ½ cup of water, ½ cup of sugar, 2 tablespoons of Korean chili powder, and 1 tablespoon of plum extract. That's all you need. To make kimchi, you need Korean chili powder and garlic, and of course, you need cabbage. Now, let me show you how to make kimchi. It's the most important part, okay? This is half of my cabbage. Cut them into little pieces so it's easier to make kimchi. You don't have to cut it. If you want to make like kimchi, you can just leave it as it is. Just put Korean chili powder on top of it and put plum extract and then put salt. This is half of my cabbage. We're going to mix it together. This is my favorite part. Do not overbeat it. Just mix it all together. There's some of the cabbage leaves that are torn, so I just rip it apart. That's fine. It's going to be eaten, so it's okay. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Isn't this beautiful? Look at this. My favorite part. I love doing this. All right, now we're going to move it into the container. I already prepared this container. Put ½ cup of water in it. Now we're going to move our cabbage in. All right, now put ½ cup of salt. Then put 3 tablespoons of sugar. It's a lot of sugar, but trust me. Kimchi is really good with sugar. It brings out the flavor. Then put 2 tablespoons of Korean chili powder. And if you're using plum extract, put 1 tablespoon on top of it. Now you need to mix it again. Mix it well. Someone here, someone there, someone here, someone there. Everyone mix it. Now it's time to wait. Look at this. Thank you for watching my video.